Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores. Thanks so much for stopping in today. I'm gonna show you how to prepare one of my absolute favorite cooking techniques of all time, how to properly braise. It's super easy to do, and it's gonna greatly enhance everything that you cook in it. The art of braising is essentially the slow cooker before the slow cooker was the slow cooker. You can braise meat, you can braise chicken, pork, even vegetables. The concept is a quick saute, add in some liquid, put a lid on it, slow cook it until it's nice and tender. Super simple. So for today, I'm gonna do a pot roast. I've got a very large piece of meat here. A top round roast would be excellent to braise. Be sure to season it on all sides with salt and pepper. Same goes with your other proteins that you may want to use for braising. Head over to wherever your cooktop is and in a large Dutch oven pot or a pot with a very secure lid. You definitely need one or the other. We're gonna add in a little bit of oil. Once it's to that low smoking point, just like how to pan sear, we're gonna add the roast in, and we wanna cook it on all sides until it's golden brown. Maybe 4 minutes per side. Once you get that beautiful sear, simply remove the roast, set it to the side, and then we're gonna add in some vegetables. Common vegetables for any braise would be onion, celery, carrots, and maybe garlic. It's almost always used as an aromatic to help season and flavor up the pot roast. Yes, you can eat them. They'll probably be a little bit soft at the end, but that's totally okay. You can also add things like turnips, parsnips, celeriac root, any other root vegetable would be fantastic here. Once you've sauteed the vegetables for maybe 3 to 4 minutes, no need to get a caramelization to sort of get those flavors activated. We're gonna add in some beef stock. If you were doing chicken or maybe pork, you could use chicken stock. We wanna season it up very well because this liquid is going to further season up that roast over the duration of the cooking period, making it extremely flavorful. So maybe taste it after you've seasoned it just to make sure. Now go ahead and add our pot roast right back in. We're gonna put on a lid. We're gonna turn it down to a very simmering low heat, and we are gonna cook this pot roast that is about 4 pounds for in between 2.5 and 3 hours. And while it's cooking, I'll stop and say this. I like my pot roast to be almost like a shredded beef, like a barbacoa. You may want it to be medium or medium well, and in that case, you're not gonna cook it for very long. It can also go in the oven if you wanna cook it for long periods of time. I prefer to do it right on the cooktop as I can completely control it with that temperature in my hand. So what we're gonna do at this point is come back after that period, take the lid off. I'm gonna press it, it's perfectly soft. This is about a 205-degree internal temperature. Let's go ahead and remove it. I'm just going to plate this up in a little cassoulet dish. Boom, perfectly braised pot roast. And I can't say it enough, this cooking procedure works excellent with just about anything, whether it's beef, pork, chicken, or even vegetables. It's the whole process of slow cooking it after you sear it in some liquid to tenderize it up, to flavor it up. Please get to perfecting this. It will be your absolute favorite new way. No need for a slow cooker because it's all about the braise. I'm gonna get into this. We'll see you soon.